Breaking news here on Martyn, Lucas Investor. Nvidia is 2 days away, 48 hours away. Can you afford to miss Nvidia and XRP day? What am I talking about? I'm talking, of course, about, have you subscribed? I will share the breaking news with you. It is this. We are calling it FOMC Nvidia Day. Of course, it's Jerome Powell. We're going to cover it live. Members only for the first half an hour to answer all the questions and do our poll. Huge event. You cannot afford to miss it. But we've got some other news to add to that as well, which we're going to share with you right now. Here is our other news just out a few seconds ago. Nvidia Day, XRP Day, Broadcom. We talked about Broadcom as well. Nvidia, Broadcom, Marvel among Bank of America's top chip stocks for 2025. We did say that Nvidia is a $200 stock. Stood by that now for 6 months. Within about 8 months from now, I see that. We also said it could go as low as $100, and it did dip, like we said. So, be prepared to buy dips, especially on Wednesday with the volatile markets that we're going to get with the FOMC report. Let me bring you this really quick news. I've only got a minute before the bell goes. Nvidia, Broadcom, and Marvel Technology are on the list, as are Lam Research on semiconductor, on semiconductor, and Cadence Design Systems. These, we see a 2025 as a year of two different trends. Analyst Vivek Ira wrote in a note to clients, in the first half, AI investments and Nvidia Blackwell deployments driven by US cloud customers sustain momentum in AI semis. However, in the second half, interest could shift to a less crowded auto industrial chip makers on inventory replenishment and pickup in auto production, assuming a global economic recovery. I am very bullish on Broadcom, very bullish on Nvidia, but like I've said to everybody over and over and over and over again, it's why I'm always beating the market, why I'm always setting all-time highs. Nvidia, we love it, but I've been loading up on my Coca-Cola now because I think the S&P is about to cool off. We're gonna get a Santa rally, yes. We've got a bit more to go, yes. Volatile on Wednesday, yes. $200 for Nvidia, yes. But the overall S&P probably only 5 to 8% next year. When my Coca-Cola, which I've been buying the dip, if I share that with you now, there it is, down 5%. Is going to do 15, 20% next year, and then I can buy back the S&P once again. There's my breaking news. You cannot afford to miss all this stuff for our event on Wednesday. Do join us. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. I'll post it down there and in the comments. Here, song of the day. I'm the World Piano Man, as voted by Elton John. Today's song of the day is Band-Aid. Just out, go and check our Christmas playlist. Every day I record a new Christmas song from my music studio behind me. And down here is the FOMC report. You cannot afford to miss the FOMC report, the biggest event since the last biggest event, until the next biggest event, when it will be the biggest event that was bigger than the last biggest event. Get it? No. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.